Hi, this is Mr. To from Economics at TuitionGenius, and my J2s this year has just set for their A-level economics paper yesterday. So at the point that this video is filmed, you have exactly 1 year before you sit for your A-level paper. And I gather that there will be probably two kinds of feelings that you could potentially feel 1 year from now. The first type of feeling is that you feel prepared, you feel confident, you feel that you have taken the last whole year to have done preparation work, to drill in the content, you have been disciplined in doing your revision, and you are ready to tackle the paper. And when you finish the paper, you feel a sense of relief and satisfaction. And there could be another kind of feeling, the general feeling of unease, a lack of preparedness, a sense of guilt, and you're wondering, where did all that time go? And what did I do with the last whole year of my life? And so, I'd like to introduce to you our program and how we can help you to be more prepared. Now, there are 3 reasons why the ETG program is different from the rest. The first reason will be the structured programming that we have. From day 1, as a J1 student, as you step into our classes, all the way to the last lesson right before the A-levels, you'll find that the entire curriculum is strategically planned. In our 2-year program, we have covered all the key content that you need to learn. We'll touch on concepts that most students find to be difficult and simplify them for you. We'll go through a whole lot of practices that students need to know before the A-levels, and we will also teach you how to do application, evaluation, as well as essay writing skills, case study application skills. You can be assured that our program will prepare you for what you need for the A-levels. Next, we also have the best resources that you can find. Now, students joining us for the 2021 ETG academic year will be receiving an ETG box set, which comprises of the following materials. You have the microeconomics textbook, which covers all the key microecons content, the macroecons textbook, which covers all the key macroeconomics content. You're going to get the micro diagrams book, which gets all the important diagrams that you need to draw in J1 for microeconomics. You're going to get the 50 helpful essay for micro or macro, depending on whether you're J1 or J2. And we have a series of 9 textbooks that you'll be getting access to. Of course, we will not be issuing all 9 textbooks at once. You'll be getting textbook on a term basis. Every term you'll get a fresh new textbook that you will use for your revision for that specific term. And lastly, you're going to get the best support that you can get from a tuition program. Number 1, we have a homework program whereby on a weekly basis, when you do homework that we actually assign you, you can actually submit for grading and you will get your assignment back within a month. So all homework that we actually assign that you have to do will be graded. Second, you can always book a face-to-face consult with me, or if you have any queries, you can just drop me a WhatsApp straight and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Now, and there are some perks for pre-registration. All students who register from now till 31st December will be able to lock in J1 rates. Now, if you've been following us for quite some time, you will notice that students who join us at JC1 level will pay a lower fee compared to students who join us at JC2. And this is going to be the case for our pre-registration exercise as well. If you sign up by 31st December 2020, you are considered to still be a JC1 student, and therefore you'll be entitled to lock in JC1 tuition fees for the entire of 2021 for JC2. So you get to enjoy a lower fee when you join our pre-registration exercise today. You pay a lower rate compared to if you were to join in 2021 itself. The second perk of doing a pre-registration is that we are giving away 1 free add-on per student. You can choose between the J1 Recap Plus, or you can choose the Physical Class Plus as an add-on when you register from now all the way until 31st December. And if you complete your pre-registration at any point from now till 31st December, we will also activate the 2 following things for you. The first will be our Masterclass Shorts. Our Masterclass Shorts are a series of short concept clips explaining key economic concepts in 5 minutes or less. We'll activate that for you so that you can review those during the holiday period and learn some economics. And we will also activate a free essay and case study booster program worth $1,600, and this comprises of 14 lessons covering essay writing skills and case study application skills that you can do revision for during a holiday period. So how to pre-register? You can just go to www.tuitiongenius.com/pre-register and fill out our registration form, and we look forward to welcoming you to our family.